effective collision or threshold energy. Threshold energy. Minimum energy of energy of reactant and reagent molecule by means of which it may cross or pass the energy barrier called threshold energy. Energy being less than threshold effective collision between reactant and reagent molecule do not occur. Hence, product will not pass. Activation energy. EA difference between threshold energy that is energy barrier and energy of molecules called activation energy. EA is equal to threshold energy minus energy of molecules before effective collision.
if molecules of reactant and reagent will not have appropriate or proper energy to enter in effective collision to form product, then we have to supply the energy from outside. So how much energy is supplied from outside to make effective collision? The amount of supplied energy from outside in this case is known as activation energy. Catalyst always decreases the activation energy, hence reaction will take place very readily and equilibrium is set up soon. Now relation between activation energy and rate constant, that is velocity constant. And activation energy. According to Arrhenius equation, K is equal to A e raised to the power minus EA. EA means activation energy upon R. Taking log on both sides. ln means log are of the three types: log on the base E, log on the base A, and log on the base 10. The log on the base E is also known as, this is also known as ln. So now taking log on both sides, ln K is equal to ln A plus ln E raised to the power minus EA upon RT, or ln K is equal to ln A minus EA upon RT in the term of exponential. It is written as log on the base E K is equal to log on the base E A plus log on the base E power minus EA upon R. Both are similar matter. We may write here either ln or instead of ln we may write log on the base E. E means exponential. Or log E K is equal to log A on the base E minus EA upon RT log E on the base E. The log E on the base E is equal to 1. Since log e on the base e is equal to 1. So we will remove this. So log k on the base e is equal to log a on the base e minus a upon rt. When it will be changed into natural log, that is base 10, it will be multiplied by 2.303. So this may be further written as 2.303 log k on the base 10. On the base 10, value of log is given in your book. Two point three zero three log k on the base 10 is equal to 2.303 log k on the base 10. Here no term of log, hence 2.303 will not use here. Minus EA upon RT. Or simply for log 10, log k on the base 10 is equal to 2.303 upon 2.303 log a on the base 10 minus EA upon 2.303 RT. Log k on the base 10 is equal to log k on the base 10 minus EA upon 2.303 RT. Now plotting the graph between log k and 1 by t. Log k on the base 10 and 1 by t. We get a straight line whose slope is equal to minus EA upon 2.303 R. So when graph is plotted between log k and 1 by t, a straight line is obtained having the formula y is equal to mx plus c. Straight line y is equal to mx plus c. The equation for this line will analogous to y is equal to mx plus c. On expanding this, we will get the expression for the activation energy for two different temperatures. Now again, according to the Arrhenius equation, k is equal to minus k is equal to a e raised to the power minus e upon rt. Here a is known as Arrhenius constant or frequency constant. And E upon RT is known as Boltzmann factor. K is velocity constant or rate constant. And EA activation energy. So now taking the log on both sides, we get log E log K on the base E is equal to log A on the base E minus A upon RT. Log E on the base E. Log E on the base E is equal to 1. So log K on the base E is equal to log A on the base E minus A upon RT. On changing the base E into base 10, it may be also written as 2.303 log K on the base 10. When exponential log is changed into base 10, we multiply it by 2.303. 2.303 log A on the base E minus E upon RT. Log K on the base 10 is equal to 2.303 log A on the base 10 log A on the base 10 upon 2.303 minus EA upon 2.303 RT, or log K is equal to log A on the base 10 minus EA upon 2.303 RT. Let rate constant at temperature T1 be K1 while at temperature T2 rate constant be K2. Thus, under this consideration, we may write log K base 10 K1 is equal to log A on the base 10 minus A upon 2.303 RT1 number 1. Again log K2 on the base 10 is equal to log A on the base 10 minus EA upon 2.303 RT2 number 2. And now subtracting 2 from 1, R1 from 2, we will get the value for activation energy in the terms of temperature difference. Now subtracting 2 from 1, log K1 on the base 10 minus log K2 on the base 10 is equal to log A on the base 10 minus EA upon 2.303 RT1 minus log A on the base 10 minus EA upon 2.303 RT2. और log K1 on the base 10 minus log K2 on the base 10 is equal to log A on the base 10 minus EA upon 2.303 RT1 minus log A on the base 10 plus EA upon 2.303 RT2. The log A on the base 10 will cancel. Thus, log K1 on the base 10 minus log K2 on the base 10 is equal to here E have positive value and this have negative value. We write positive first. E upon 2.303 RT2, then negative, this negative EA upon 2.303 RT1. So since log A upon B, log numerator upon denominator is written as log numerator minus log denominator. So on the basis of this, we may write this as log K1 upon log K2, log numerator upon log denominator, same like this. The subtraction of log is equal to the log numerator upon log denominator. The log K1 upon K2 base 10 is equal to EA and 2.303 R will be taken common here. EA upon 2.303 R comma 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. 1 upon T2 minus 1 upon T1 like